Welcome back to another exciting topic of default parameters in JavaScript. A powerful feature that makes your code more robust and easier to manage. Let's get started. Default parameters and functions allow you to set a value for a parameter if no value is provided when the function is called. This means the function will use the default value when it does not receive one. Let's understand the concept by coding. Let's start with writing attr function that will take two parameters number1 and number2. It will return number1 plus number2. Now let's call the function without passing any value and see what happens. Man! Now let's provide default values to number1 and number2 and run again the program. We can see that default values have been picked when providing now values in call function. Now let's pass the values to the call function. And that's a wrap on understanding default parameters in JavaScript. I hope this video helped clarify how to use them effectively in your code. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.